What's up guys, it's Akira, and in today's video I decided to do an art hoe inspired makeup look for you guys. I've seen a few tutorials of like an art hoe makeup look on YouTube and they all look pretty similar, so I thought I'd do my own spin on it, my own take on it. Yeah, because originally I didn't even know that the term art hoe was created for people of color. To like express their art and stuff like that, so I thought I'd just do this makeup look, show you guys my take on it. I hope you guys like this makeup look. If you do, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below, and yeah, let's just get started. To start out this look, I'm using this sample of Fenty Beauty like face primer I had. I didn't use it before this look, but I think it worked out really well. For my eyebrows, I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow in Ebony along with a spoolie and angled brush, and I just used the angled brush to start filling in my brows. And for this look, I went with more of like straight brows. I don't know, I think it just fits the aesthetic better. Plus, I thought they looked really cute. So yeah, I just kind of angled my brows in a like straighter way than I normally would, and then used my spoolie to make them look more natural, kind of like brush them out. Once I was finished filling in my brows, I took my La.girl concealer in the shade Fawn and began concealing around my brows. And then after that, I took my concealer brush and blended that all in. Next, we're moving on to foundation, and I'm just using my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 420, and I'm blending that in with a stipple brush. To highlight, I'm using the same concealer I used for my eyebrows, which was the La.girl concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm highlighting under my eyes, on my nose, and on my chin, and then I'm just blending that in with a beauty sponge. Next, I'm going to be baking my face using the Sacha buttercup powder. While my face was baking, I applied these really natural in hue lashes. They're the Eyelure lashes in like the wispy style. Yeah. After like 8 minutes, I brushed all the excess powder off my face. Next, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sundipped, and I'm taking my fan brush and I'm taking the color Tourmaline and I'm putting that on my cheekbones and under my eyebrows. And here I'm using the color Summer. I'm putting that on the inner corners of my eyes and under my eyebrows as well. And I'm also taking the same tiny brush I used for the inner corner of my eyes and highlighting my nose using the same color Summer. I just wanted this to be a really glowy look to fit the aesthetic. Here I'm taking my NYX Baked Blush and Illuminator in the color Chiffon and taking a fluffy brush and putting that on the apples of my cheeks to basically bring some color to my face. And now this is like my favorite part, but I'm taking my NYX Matte Liquid Liner and applying like beauty marks slash freckles to my face, you know, whatever you want to call it. I consider it just like a lot of beauty marks rather than freckles because like they're all over the place. Yeah, so I just found like random places on my face to put them. Like I put one close to my hairline, one on my nose, under my eyebrow, the center of my cheek, close to my lip, and yeah, I just kept doing that. And here I'm just applying some mascara to bring some attention to my bottom lashes. And the final step was the lip gloss, so I just took my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Gingersnap and mixed it with this clear lip gloss I had to get a really like natural color. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below. And I will see you guys next week with another video. Bye!